You guys, we're about to eat some Wingstop. Of course, I had to get my cheese and my large ranch. I'm so excited. Things first, we got some corn. This is gonna be my first time ever trying Wingstop corn. I'm so excited. Up next, we have the voodoo fries. Oh my god, they look so bomb. Let's do a quick taste test. Bon appetit. Up next, we got some Cajun boneless wings and some garlic parmesan. Garlic parmesan is my favorite flavor. And last but certainly not least, we got Louisiana rub tenders. It looks like someone took a bite there. Louisiana rub to start with some ranch. Wow. You guys, look at this ranch. Bon appetit. We definitely have to try it with the cheese. Bomb. Y'all, that is too good. Oh my god, look how bomb these fries look. Wow. Now, up next, we're gonna try the Cajun. Wow. Last but certainly not least, we have the garlic parmesan. We gotta dip it in the cheese. Ooh. Y'all, this is an epic bite right here.